Made for Locs, for the best, Made for Locs, yeah. If you want the best products for your hair, check Made for Locs, Aye, them sell the best products for your locks. That are the facts, aye. Made for Locs, them are the best anything for your locks. ACV shampoo for wash your locks. Detox Bar for take out the build-up. Rose water for moisturize. Loc size perfect seal Latino. Build-Up Free gel for your edges.
Okay, so for this wash, we are going to start with our Detox Bar. So let's grab that. We are going to use our Castle shampoo. And we're going to use our Color Care Loc conditioner just because this just gives a super moisture feel, especially after a detox. And we are gonna finish off with moisturizing with the kids oil spray and the kids aloe spray. So these two, and then lastly we are gonna use the blueberry gel for Retwist. Okay, so we're preparing for our detox and we're going to use our Locs Vegan Detox Bar. So for this bar, this is going to replace your regular ACV detox rings where you put, you know, the ACV in the water, the vinegar and all that other stuff that you guys be putting in the water. This replaces that. This is super mild. You can actually use this as often as monthly. So for those who go to the gym, you work out, or you just have a super active lifestyle, you can definitely use this bar. And you only need to use half of the bar. So this bar, you're just gonna immerse your locks into the water, the detox water, and you can let it sit there. To get to your roots, you could just apply the water directly on the roots like that. So it's great if you have someone to help you do this. If not, just find a deep enough bowl where you can put your entire hair. And y'all, we can see the water changing already. So this is definitely time for a detox, and this is safe enough for kids. As you can see, it's super gentle and they need it a lot. I would say quarterly, at least twice a year for them, because kids play a lot. They're outside.
Made for Locs, for the best, Made for Locs, yeah. If you want the best products for your hair, check Made for Locs, aye. Them sell the best products for your locks. That are the facts, aye. Made for Locs, them are the best anything for your locks. ACV shampoo for wash your locks. Detox Bar for take out the build-up. Rose water for moisturize. Loc size perfect seal Latino. Build-Up Free gel for your edges. Made for Locs for keep it clean. Mouse for your curls them. Locs brush for your lint them. Made for all type of locks, from sister locks, micro locks to your wigs them. If you want the best Locs product, just visit madeforlocs.com and start embrace your Locs journey. Made for Locs, hey, them no made for stop. You're made for Locs.com. Check it out. If you want the best products for your hair, check Made for Locs. Aye, them sell the best products for your locks. That are the facts, aye. Made for Locs, them are the best anything for your locks. ACV.
So right now we're getting ready to style. I'm going to add some of our Kids Locs moisturizer. Get that all over. You definitely want to add moisture first before styling. Then I'm going to seal that in with our Kids oil spray. Completely in love with this spray, how it sprays and gets all over the lock, and it's also super lightweight. And then I'm going to distribute that all in by Loc Brushing. So this is a very controversial thing to do in the lock community, but we absolutely love Loc Brushing. It helps to get rid of lint on the surface. It helps to distribute the products that I just put in, and it also makes it super easy for me to prep before retwisting. So completely in love with our Loc Brush. And then I'm just going to check her scalp. Well, I'm going to show you guys her scalp to show you how clean it is after our detox. Love, 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 love. Right now we are retwisting. We're getting the last few left, and she wanted to do the lock knot style. So we opt to do the 2 strong twists plus the lock knot style. And so applying our gel, super lightweight. Just look at that application, no buildup. I mean, it is just perfection, and it gives like a nice little shine for those who want that shine. And let's get into the edge. Let's get into the edges because this is the real test right here. So we're gonna use our lock brush. This is our edge brush and apply the gel. I love using this because it applies it evenly and it just goes right in the locks. And again, there's no buildup. Zoom in, zoom in. No buildup. Look at that nice hold. Just perfection. And so finish off with a 2 strong twist. And then we're going to add the lock knot at the end. About this time, she's definitely tired of me. Doesn't like doing her hair. So when we do, it's like an all day kind of thing. Well, not an all day thing. Our hair actually takes really like less than an hour to do everything. But for her, it feels like all day. But yeah, we're almost there, almost at the finish line, and she's been doing super, super well. Make sure when you're retwisting that you're adding back moisture into your locks. As I'm going through, I'm applying that aloe spray. I'm applying the oil spray just a little bit, and then I apply the gel. And I really only use the gel at the edges, on the edges. I don't use the gel throughout her locks, just on the edges. So the entire head I'm retwisting with just the aloe spray and the oil spray, and that's obviously a preference. You can, it's the gel is super lightweight, so you can obviously retwist throughout the lock with that. But for me, I just use it on the edge to get that nice hold. And I promise I didn't just push her head. This, when you speed up the video, it just looks like everything looks so rushed. And I'm like, oh God, looks like I'm pushing my poor baby's hair. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video of showing you how to use our products from start to finish, from doing a detox to styling. If you want more of this content, let me know in the comments section. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Made for Locs, yeah. If you want the best products for your hair, check Made for Locs. Aye, them sell the best products for your locks. That are the facts. Aye, Made for Locs. Them are the best anything for your locks. ACV shampoo for wash your locks. Detox Bar for take out the build-up. Rose water for moisturize. Loc size spray for seal Latino. Build-up free gel for your edges. Link Made for Locs for keep it clean. Mouse for your curls them. Locs brush for your lint them. Made for all type of locks. From sister locks, micro locks to your wigs them. If you want the best Locs product.